Hi, it's Kate Catlin with Threefold Art Co. I'm going to show you how to use one of my social media templates in Canva, and I will share my screen and show you what I'm doing. Share. Okay, here we are. This is what we're going to end up with, and I will show you how to make that happen. I'll start, actually, I'm going to start from home, just so I can show you the whole process. So what I do is I go to up here, what will you design? I'm going to do social media, Instagram post, because my social media templates that I create are square. In here in templates, you've got all these choices of things, and they've got free setups that you can choose from. We are going to upload our own. I've also got elements, so different things you can stick on top or different photos that you can put on bottom. But what I'm going to do, since you'll probably be using your social media template to do that, do your own product photos with your social media template on top. So we're going to go to uploads, and I've already got things uploaded into my account, but I'll show you how to upload. So upload media from your device, and I've already got most of these up, but I'm going to go ahead and just click one. It's one of the social media templates that I've got saved in PNG form. That's transparent. You can either double click that or hit open, and you can see right there it uploads it. Okay, I've got a picture of some flowers that I already did. So what I'm going to do is click on that, and then I can adjust the size on this, and what hangs off the edge just isn't going to show. So I'm just going to make that into a nice little Polaroid picture there. And then, so I just single clicked with my left mouse button on that picture to get it to pop in there. So when I want to put the social media template, I'm going to got one down here with it, the logo on the right. I'm going to click, and there it goes right on top there. And pull it out to the edges of the design, and there you go. That is it. Then you just, I clicked on the outside, and sometimes it does that, makes it white. Hit Control Z on a PC, and it will get rid of that. I don't know why it does that, but it doesn't affect your image. It's just the screen does something weird. So there's that. Looks like your outline is on the outside. That looks great. So then we're just going to download, and it suggests a PNG, which is great for most graphics. If you're doing photographs will look better as JPEGs, but anything with graphics like your logo and text is going to look better as a PNG. So it doesn't matter if it's transparent background because we've got it all covered up anyway. So then don't compress the file. You don't need to do that. Social media, when you upload it, will compress it anyway. So if you do it now, you're just going to get an image that could end up blurry. So you can, this is the default, so I'm not going to save the settings, and just download. It's getting ready. And I'm going to save it to just my downloads folder. You can save it wherever it is good for you. And then let's see, I'm going to jump here and go to my Instagram. Let's just show you. Oh, I can't do it on here. It has to be on a, yeah, I forgot, on Instagram. I'll have to do it on Facebook. Instagram, you have to post on a mobile device. I always forget that. So Facebook is opening. I'm going to hit, just on a social media post, hit photo, video, and add a photo. Oh, from a mobile device. And I saved that on my downloads. It was this one, open, and there's your post right there. Anyway, so there you go. That is how you, I'm going to cancel it because I'm not going to post it. But that's how you stop sharing. Anyway, that is how you use a social media template in Canva. And if you have any issues, let me know, but it's usually pretty straightforward. And there's a lot of tutorials online. If you run into any issues with Canva, I am not a Canva expert by any means. I always use Adobe, so I'm a little uncomfortable in Canva, but it works great. And if you're learning on Canva, there's tons of tutorials on YouTube and in the Canva community that they can help you with. All right. Have a great day and good luck with your business. Thanks. Bye.